A sustainable, accessible and safe building. That is what you're looking for. A building where people work comfortably and feel safe. MPL will assist you. Also, when something goes wrong, we have smart total solutions in terms of security and data management. Just imagine there is a fire or a burglary, discrepancies in your climate control or technical installations. MPL minimizes risks. Installations are becoming more complicated and data flows increase in size. How to retain proper control? Instead of having your own control room and operators on location 24/7, MPL offers remote facility management and remote monitoring. With a push of a button, we can take over the management from you, 24/7 if needs be, or just outside office hours, thus customized. We link quality to efficiency using smart security. No need for physical visits after each notification. First, we remotely check the exact nature of the notification. This will save a lot. As such, we will always do the right thing and prevent unnecessarily high costs. How does that work? We will digitalize your building into a virtual environment within one central cloud platform. This way, we will know the exact location of your systems per floor. But we will also help you with data management. Smart data, as we call it. We connect different data flows from your building and bundle them on a platform in the cloud. As such, we convert that data into management information. Completely safe, thanks to our ISO 27001 certification. We translate your policy into tailor-made workflows for unambiguous handling of notifications. That is how both the operators on location and our control room operators know exactly which action to take, minimizing the risk of human error. This management information will, for instance, help you to make your building more sustainable or to keep the air quality optimal. Real-time reports will ensure that you will be able to adjust continuously. MPL offers total solutions for smart security and smart data and is entirely standalone. Smart processing of the data that generates your systems will keep your building sustainable, accessible, and safe. MPL. Planning ahead. Acting today.